Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the password of your Facebook account. First of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Once you get into your Facebook account, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner. Now from the menu, scroll down a bit and tap on the Settings and Privacy option. Then from Settings, tap to see the Account Center. Now from the Account Center, go in to the Password and Security option. After that, tap on Change Your Password. Then choose your Facebook account. And after that, you can change the password of your account by entering your current password and new password. After entering your new password, tap on Change Password. Then you can log out of your account from all other devices. So select all the devices and tap Log Out. Then your account from every device you have ever been logged into will log out. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.